One of the key aspects of providing professional development in the English community in Quebec is the linguistic minority context. Each of the 9 school boards have a different context in which they operate. Some of the school boards have very small schools on a large territory. As a result, sometimes when you're creating professional development, you cannot have the same people in the same room very easily. It's very costly to do that. So you have to find different ways of offering professional development, creative ways to build the capacity of the teachers and the school principals. The experience of the Evidence-Based Practice project is really linking the people together so you can share resources. There are a few examples whereby the school teams created a network between schools with the support of either a consultant, subject consultant, or a team of consultants with the support of the pedagogical services. So the role of evidence-based practice in that situation can be to offer the facilitation between the schools. So help support the establishment of the network first, and then work with the school or the school boards to remove the scaffolding and then make sure that the team becomes independent. Another initiative that was initiated last year was a network of secondary schools between 3 English school boards, so between New Frontiers, Eastern Townships, and Riverside School Board. And the rationale for starting the network of principals is first the difficulty or the challenge to start professional learning communities in secondary schools. That's always been a challenge, but also that like within the school boards, you don't have a lot of secondary schools, so you always end up talking with the same people somehow. So in collaboration with the educational service, the 3 educational service departments, we're helping design a 2-year initiative whereby the principals and the vice principals are meeting on a monthly basis to learn about starting professional learning communities, to learn about the underpinnings, the theory, to try to implement or to continue the implementation, and then to come back together and share about what worked, what didn't work, and reflect on that. So learn together. It's a form of professional learning community, but technically it's a network because you're not within a school. And then you benefit from the different cultures and the different ways of doing things of other schools. The 3 educational services departments, the directors and the assistant directors are all involved in the design of the network for principals and the design of the learning sessions. And then the second point is that they are going to offer the support to their school administrators in between the session. So the beauty of this initiative is that the educational teams are involved in the design of the learning sessions, but they will also be offering the support to their principals and vice principals in between the session.